Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log in back into your fandom account after you've been logged out. But before that, make sure that you have already signed up for the application itself. And if you do not know how to sign up for the fandom, you can check our other video where you can learn how to sign up for the fandom and create an account. So let's get started. First of all, open the fandom app on your phone. You will be taken to a page like this where at the bottom you can see the sign in option. Click there. And then you will be required to enter your username and password. After you're done entering your username and password, click on this sign in option at the top right corner. And that's all. You have now successfully logged into your fandom account. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful.